budak muda pun belum tentu lagi boleh nyanyi kan. So I think masa muda-muda dulu I tak rasa tak work as hard as I'm working to improve myself. Maknanya orang kata, you dah nyanyi, you dah otai, why do you need to work so hard? But the thing is, the higher the standard you achieve, the better you have to be, because expectation. I know then ada yang ramai yang akan just looking out for all the flat notes and kan saja je lah kan. The truth of the matter is the songs that I have sung for the last 40 years, budak muda pun belum tentu lagi boleh nyanyi kan. So don't be so hard on the old timer. Just come and enjoy, because I'm pretty sure that there'll be songs that you know that you can come and reminisce and enjoy and sing along with friends and just enjoy lah. It's music, it's entertainment. Ni dah tak ada lagi pertandingan, okay? So come and enjoy my 40 years. You'll be surprised, some songs that lagu dia rupanya. Some younger generation tak tahu pun, oh now they put the face to the song. So yeah, it means a lot for me. And we're working very hard to entertain and please my fans who have been loyal all this while.
And that's what makes you iconic, Dato'. Honest. Alright. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Just me being me lah. You know, 40 years is a long time to be in any job, right? To be there. Dan the thing that I'm so looking forward to dengan penonton yang akan datang tu juga akan reflect the stages of my life. Dia akan ada kawan-kawan daripada sekolah, ada kawan daripada sekolah rendah, ada sekolah menengah, ada daripada high school in New Zealand, ada yang alumni University New Zealand, mungkin ada kawan politik, I'm not sure, but they will be from all parts of my life, stages of my music. Music tu akan reflect kepada siapa yang datang. And I'm so looking forward to like, dia macam reunion of everybody who's touched my life in the 40 years that I have been in the entertainment. Let's work as hard. And as you grow older, you have to make the effort. So, macam saya pada usia 50 lebih, saya baru pergi belajar balik dengan guru vokal. Saya pergi belajar balik, oh macam tu yang selama ni saya buat, saya tak tahu, kejap boleh jadi, kejap tak jadi. Now bila kita dah belajar, oh now I understand benda-benda macam tu. Saya pada tu jaga makan, jaga stamina, zumba. Tapi saya tak kat zumba kat luar lah kan, tengok orang sibuk, tengok saya kangkang-kangkang tu susah kan. Jadi zumba je kat rumah. Dan saya tahu saya punya neighbours semua dah tahu lagu apa saya nak nyanyi untuk untuk my concert, because dia orang I rehearse, I practice. Saya tak suka pakai prompter, jadi saya hafal semua lagu saya. Pasal saya rasa bila saya tak hafal lirik lagu saya tak dapat menghayati lagu tu dan saya tak dapat sampaikan kepada pendengar dengan baik. Jadi kalau ada 30 lagu, 30 lagu lah saya menghafal. Dan on average saya training buat masa ni, belum masuk lagi intensifnya time, saya training dalam 3 jam, 4 jam sehari, every day. Nanti dah dekat-dekat nak sampai malam, nak sampai dekat masa tu, it will intensify. Dan of course kita akan training dengan band apa semua. So I am trying. So don't be
so hard. We will try and give it our best.